this right here and create, extrude. So if you don't see it there, you can see create and extrude. And then I'm going to, well, actually, I had to click that first, and then I click the body next, like that. And then it says geometry. It's been highlighted. Make sure this is also blue. Click apply. Okay. Now I'm going to go here and change this to 20. That's 20 meters. Now I'm going to see if it did anything. So I'm going to click, I'll have my mouse over here. Click the middle mouse button, move it. Now you see, scroll out, but with the zoom wheel. Okay, now it worked. Awesome. Now I'm going to press generate right here. There we go. Next, I'm going to do something. I'm going to press tools, and then I'm going to press symmetry. And I'm going to press this body again, highlight it, and I'm going to apply it. Oh, sorry, not the body. My mistake. It was actually this YZ plane right here. Click highlight that. Then, okay, I don't know why that was orange. Make sure this is highlighted in blue. Then click the YZ plane like that. Now they're both blue. Now click apply. And then, oh, I actually want to fix that real quick. This right here, this number of planes, I want that to 2, because we're going to do 2 of them. And then, so that YZ one is still highlighted, so cool, that's cool. Now for the next one, this is yellow, so click it. Now it's blue. Now you want to click, I think it's ZX. ZX. And then, okay, I don't know why I said it. ZX. And then apply. Awesome. Now generate. Oh, sweet, I did it first try. First try. Alright, that's it for here. That's all you need to do. And next, I'm going to close this. Not necessary anymore. Then I'll go to mesh, double click. Just double click the mesh button here. It's loading right now. I think. Okay, sweet. Awesome, there's our mesh. Now I am going to do some stuff. First, I'm going to see this right here. This is the faces. I want to be able to select only the faces. So I'm going to click this. Was this the inlet or the outlet? I can't remember.
It was the outlet.
Okay, I'm going to click this one right here, that face. I'm going to right click it. So once it's highlighted green, create name selection. Outlet. Press the enter button. Cool. Now I'm going to go around back here, and I move this with the middle mouse button. You can also do the same thing here. Move it around like that. It's still on the screen thing right here, right? So I'm gonna click it, it's highlighted, right click, create name selection, inlet. Now I'm going to click this wall, or this section right here, like that. And again, I'm moving this around with the middle mouse button. Like that, right click, create name selection, wall. Make sure those are specific, inlet, wall, outlet. And then right here, I moved it around, I'm gonna click this. Okay, I clicked that and moved it again. I'm going to hold my control button down on the keyboard, or command if you're a Mac user, and then click here. Now I have both of them highlighted. They should both be green. Right click one of the green spots, create name selection, and then symmetry. That's how I spell symmetry, right? And then press enter on your keyboard. So let's see if that did it correctly. So we can tell, press this little blue button ISO, so make it flip around again. And then outlet, alright, that's been selected. Inlet, it says right there, it's got that little one, we can check in just in case. Sweet. Wall, awesome. Symmetry, awesome. Now we are going to go to mesh, and then I'm just gonna update it like that for right now, and then I'm gonna do some more work on it. Sweet. Now I'm going to go back to the face again, right there, like that. Now it's highlighted. Then I'm going to go to mesh, insert, sizing. See, now it's purple. Now I'm going to go to the element size and put 0.05. I'm going to update it. Okay, so now you can tell it's tiny there. And let's check the back. I think that fixed the back as well. So that's also been fixed. I just only had to click one face for whatever reason. Alright, so the mesh is it's all bueno. So now we can press the X button on this. Now I'm going to click the setup. Just double click. Double position for whatever reason. That's what everybody else does. Then click start. Shit, I forgot to do for this. This crap. No, what's going on, dude? Stop messing. You're gonna hear a bunch of people trying to message you on this thing. Stupid Windows, as Lloyd Lee says. Alright, so it should look like this. Outlet, inlet. Now you're going to go to general. Make sure it's pressure based. Then you're gonna go to models. You're gonna go to energy. Right click on. And then you're going to go to
Viscous to laminar.
Right click, edit, click laminar, press OK. And that's it for here. Now we are going to go to materials. Hybrid doesn't like to have hair in here, but I don't think it makes any difference. So it's up to you if you want to delete it or not. I'll show you how to do that in a second. Now you're going to go create. You're going to want to go to Fluent database, and then just select whatever you want to select. We're going to select water for this experiment. Let this be the same. Press copy. You see this button right here? Left click copy. Now you see it's been added. Now you can close this window and close this window. So now you have water, which is a liquid, and air in here. Next you're going to go to, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of the air if you want to. So you go to cell boundaries, and then you go to solid right here. No, sorry, you go to fluid, like right here. Double click that. Okay. Now you're gonna change this air to water liquid. Press apply. Close. Then you can go back to materials. Double click this materials button. See this air? Right click it. Sorry, you see air? Just select the air like that. Then you can press this delete button and it'll delete the air. I'm gonna keep it there because I like it. Nothing wrong. The air did nothing wrong to you. Alright, what was I doing? Forgot. Alright, now move here, solid, back. Now we're going to go to boundary conditions. Double click boundary conditions. Click the inlet. Click edit. Now we're going to set this velocity to 5.8 meters per second. I'm going to go to thermal. Put this to 898. Press apply. This applies it for both of them. After that, you can.
The pressure.
And then you're going to remember to put 101325. That's atmospheric pressure for pascals. Click left click apply again. This does it for both, and then click close. And then now you're going to go to wall outlet like this. You're going to get rid of the reverse flow. Put the pressure to 101325. Press apply. Close. I don't know what I did here. I'm gonna see what I did. Go here, go to temperature, keep it at 300, and then put the wall thickness to 0.05. Apply. Close. Alright, so now you're going to want to go to Solutions, Definitions, New, Surface Report. And by the way, when I'm doing this, this is like using Windows XP. You don't have to keep clicking it. And then now here, you click it, Area, left click once. Okay, now we're going to change this to Velocity. Okay. And then you're going to go to Field Variable, left click it, click Velocity, and then click, I don't know what I click, what did I click ever? Is it Symmetry?
Symmetry.
Symmetry. Print to Console, click Print to Console as well. Click OK. You're going to go back to Definitions. Remember, this is in the Solutions tab. Back to Definitions, New, Surface, Area Weighted Average. Click once. You're going to want to go to Temperature. Want to make this the total temperature. Click Symmetry. Click Print to Console. Change this to Temperature. Click OK. Now you're going to want to go to Plots. Actually, do that afterwards. Now you're going to want to go to Initialization. Double click Initialization. Leave it on Hybrid. Initialize. And you'll see in the console that it started it, and it should say Hybrid Initialization done. Okay. Now you're going to want to go to Run Calculations. Put the number of iterations to however long you want this to go for. I'm just going to put it to 50, so we'll stop at when it hits 50. Then click Calculate. Calculation complete. Go scroll down to Results. You want to go to Plots. You want to go to XY points. Right click once, left click once on New. Go to this, name it velocity versus, press a space, position. Then you want to take this X, put this at 0, go to the Z, put this at 1. Make sure that's check mark too. Go to, put this at velocity, right click, just left click once and left click once again. Velocity magnitude, put this to Z velocity. Keep this at directional vector, then click on Symmetry. Then click Save and Plot. Okay, that's one of them. Now close. Go back to this, left click this once, then go to move your house over the blue stuff, right click, left click once, and then you're going to want to rename this to temperature versus position. Alright, now you want to go to the y-axis and make sure this is at the temperature. You want it to be at total temperature, and then keep that at directional vector. Click Symmetry, and then go to this middle spot. Again, change this to 0, and change the Z to 1. Click Save and Plot. Close. Now you're going to want to go to stupid bug, get out of my way. Now you want to go to Graphics. Click this plus button. Right, that's cool. Now click a contour, or put your mouse over the contours text. Right click once, left click on New, and then now you want to call this temperature. go left click this, click on temperature, make sure this is at total temperature. Left click on symmetry, and then save and display. Oh, I'm sorry, and the wall. Click the wall as well. Symmetry and wall. Okay. And I think that's everything. Is that everything?
Yeah, I think so.
I think that is everything. Yeah.
I think you could probably just start by explaining the geometry instead of like redoing everything, but it was good.
Yeah, well, now you know, because I know Heidi's gonna be like, what? How did he do this from this, that, and blah, blah, blah.
Wait, was I supposed to stop?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, okay. It's on
Okay.
YouTube, right?
What?
I'm posting this on YouTube?
Sure.
Evan, make sure you save the contours, the graphs, and put those in a Word doc. Just do that.
Eugene?
No, it's
Eugene?
Yeah.
Got some stuff for you to do. I'm gonna give you some pictures.
Bro.
And then why not have her do it? Why we can move on to the next step while she's doing that? Makes sense, no?
Okay, so let's see what he wants for the second one.
Yeah, I
Make sure
think
you
we
rotate
could.
the pipe so the inlet and outlet is makes sense. So because right now your outlet is in the left side and the inlet is the right side. So switch the. Can you switch the thing?
I'm pretty sure.
So we just have to
it's
do the
right.
same thing, but we just have to add the reaction, right?
Yeah, we add the reaction, and then the last part we add the code, and that's it.
Sick.
You need to rotate it in the Z direction. I don't know if that's possible. No. Hey. No. No. Yes. Wait. That was it.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, that is it. Yeah. And
Contours.
make sure you also include the velocity contour.
You guys want me to send the video?
Are you gonna upload it to YouTube or send the video?
You should do YouTube.